Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you like how you can Dockerize your Flask application. So before that, let me just give you an intro about Docker. Why do we need Docker? Just in 2 minutes. See, suppose in like you must have encountered an issue like it's running on your machine, but it's not running on them because they are multiple like resource issues or library dependence issue. But it's perfectly running on your system, but it's not running on that system. So that's why we use Docker. So in Docker, what it takes, it just takes all the like whatever resource it need that application and it bind them into a single what you can say a component. Then you can just give that component to another one and it can easily run it like from the Docker. So that's the basically use of Docker. So there are two things like Docker image and Docker container. The Docker image is like the component you are making of an application is called Docker image, and the container is like the in which you are running. It is called container. Like when you are running that image, it's called container, and one container can run multiple images. That's the only difference in the image and container. So let's just get started with the installation part. So here you just write Docker and just Docker desktop. You just go to Docker desktop and download for Windows table and you just install it. But you have to look for one thing. It's only available for Windows 10 Pro. Like it said, it just doesn't run Windows 10 Home. So like if you are having like Windows 10 Home and still you want to like install Docker Desktop, so you just can go to the like this video like how to install Docker in Windows 10 Home in just 3 simple steps. I will put the link in the below, so you can just go there and install if you have a Windows 10 Home or if you have a Windows 10 Pro, or you just can directly come here and download it. You can here check also Docker Windows requirements. Okay, and yeah. So see, these are the called Windows 10 64-bit Pro Enterprise or Education, build 16299 or later. For Windows 10 Home, see the install. So that's the like if you don't have like Windows 10 Pro, so don't go here. Like it will tell you to install this or that toolbox. So you can just directly come here and make your Windows like a Pro, like something component that are missing, it will just add it. So it will work like a Pro. So I'll put that in description. So when you are complete installing, so you can just come here and type cmd and then Docker. Docker. Like everything should be installed and press enter. See something see is showing you like Docker is there. It's telling you these are the commands. Or better way is to like just Docker just to check like it is correctly installed or not, because installing is just a different thing in Docker. Docker dash version, so it's showing me like I have 19.10 build 448. So these are the like builds. So yeah, so these are the things. So and this is Docker desktop. After you install it, take time to open, like it's a very so yeah here are the images. Like when I'll claim it images, so all the images will be displayed here, and these are the containers. Like when I run it, so here it will show like it's written also how you have to run it. So let's just keep it down for a bit. Now let's just make a Docker folder. So I have a Docker folder, and just let me make a Flask app simple. Yeah, let me make it a little bit. Control S and we go desktop Docker main.py. Sorry, main.py. Yeah, project from Flask import selected Flask. Okay, and let me do render template also. That is where I'm just saying Flask. Okay, app equals to Flask underscore main. Okay, and what you have to do at the rate app dot root, and you just have to do like this def index return Docker is running. See, let's just save this file. Let me just show you running also. Uh, what was that for running? Yeah, it's app dot. So let me just running Docker. Yeah, this is the file. Let me just open cmd here. Python main.py. Okay, it's running. So let me just check it. See, Docker is running. This is the thing I'm like running. So let's just end this server and let me just make some changes here. Oh, sorry. For here, yeah. So you don't have to put this line, like you just delete this line. Like there are multiple ways, like if you watch someone else video, it will be doing in other ways, like or someone is doing other ways. So in the way I am doing, so you have to follow that step only. So let's just save it and just close it and make a Docker. And now you have to create a Docker file here. You just go here, new text document, and just you remove .txt here and docker Docker file. You just have to write this much. Okay, no extension, nothing, like the capital OCKER file. Okay, so I already have it. So let me just show you. See, this is the file, Docker file. Let me just open and tell you, and you have to add these lines. Okay, so you have to add these lines. So let me just tell you what this line means. So firstly, I'm telling from Python 3.8 Flimbuster. So I'm telling I need Python 3.8 Flimbuster. Then I'm telling working directory slash app. There is a app and the working directly it's like for Docker only. Then I'm telling I need the environment Flask app and main.py is my file name. See, main.py is my Python file name, and you can just see here also main.py. So this should be your Python file. And host, like I'm telling you, it should run on host 0.0.0.0. So you should know 0.0, like you are making your web app on the internet available for everyone. You have to make it only 0.0.0. When you are telling in development, then you are saying copy requirement.txt to requirement.txt. Let me just make a requirement.txt file also. Requirement. Yeah. So here I need Flask only. Okay. So it is requirement.txt. So whatever extension you have here, file. Okay, open it for. See, I have only imported Flask, so I'll just write in requirement.txt. This is the Flask. So I'll only write Flask only. Like if you have taken sklearn or something like this, so you have to like sklearn or random forest, or if you have a machine learning model or something. So for now I'm only using Flask only, so I have just written Flask. Yeah, so let me Docker file. Then you have to copy requirement.txt as requirement.txt. Then you are telling run pip install minus r record. So whatever the modules you have in requirement.txt libraries, it will install. Then you say copy. It's like copy space dot space space dot. Okay, it is like this. Copy space dot space dot. Okay. Then you are telling command like put this command on that Flask run. Flask run will run your uh, Flask application. So let me just close it. Yeah, save it. Yeah. So it's saved. Basically, you have Python file, requirement.txt file, and Docker file. So suppose you have templates also. Suppose I'm making a folder for templates. Okay. Yeah. So it doesn't matter, like you can have any template here or whatever, so it doesn't matter. So or you can have like models, like pickle models you have saved from machine learning or anything, you can have that. That doesn't mean anything. Okay. Let me just delete it. Now come here and type cmd. Okay, like I have written cmd. Now let me just see, here aren't any images for now. So let me just make an image. See, I am in the this destination only, see users on desktop. So I will say Docker. Then I will say build. Build means build an image minus t. And what I want my image, whatever name you wanna give, I will say Flask dash Docker. I will say Flask dash Docker, and I will put space and will specify dot. Dot means in this directly only Docker file is present, and you have to make image of this in this directly only, and press enter. See, it's building one by one. Building. Yeah, so it's finished. So let me just come here. See, it's here. You can see class Docker latest. So this is the image name, and yeah. So and container, because I'm not running it, so it's showing me container empty. So let me just go to the command prompt and run it the same thing. So for running, you need the command. What was the command? Let me just see. Yeah, this was the command. Yeah. So this was the command. Yeah. So you have to write Docker run minus d. Let me just, yeah. Yeah. So you have to write Docker run minus d minus p 80. 80 is the port number because Docker officially runs on the 80 port. So I'm telling from 80 port, give me get it to 5000 port, and the image name is Flask. So see, this is the image name Flask. No, my name is Flask Docker. So I'll change it. Yeah. So image name is my Flask Docker. So you can see. Oh, sorry. Flask Docker, Flask Docker. So Docker run minus the minus p 80 colon Python, and I just press enter. So now it's running. See, in use, it's written here in use. Before it wasn't. Go to container apps, see it's running, showing also, and here you can open in browser. So you just open it, see Docker is running. But like if you, it's normal like localhost only. But if you will go like this and put, it will show you like it just can't find as that right, like it's running or not. So it's like that only. So you have to click here only, Docker run minus, and you can just delete it here from also like remove. It's remove. I want to remove image also, so I'll just say remove, it's removed. Now you can just close it. Like, this is the step for like Docker. And before, if you don't know anything about Docker, so I will just suggest you some videos. You just write Docker free code scan. Okay. Mm, Yeah, so this is the tutorial, Docker tutorial for beginners uploader. So it's a 2 hour course, so you can just put it on 2x and just like watch it like what is Docker, and it like the person has explained in a very much detail. You can just go there and watch the whole video. So that'll be much helpful for you. And if you know like what is Docker and all things, then it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's it from my side. And one thing more, there is a subscribe button. So if you'll just click it, so you'll possibly get a good Docker version of you. So yeah, so thanks for watching the video. Thank you.